Hey there, tech enthusiasts and audiophiles. Welcome back to our channel. To the grand finale of the ultimate noise-canceling showdown. Today, we're unveiling the winner between two titans, the Sony WH-1000XM5 and the Apple Airpods Pro 2. Get ready for an audio showdown like no other. We're diving into the ring with the Sony WH-1000XM5 battling the Apple Airpods Pro 2. It's a clash of the sound titans, and we're here to guide you through every beat. Imagine being wrapped in the music you love, or shutting out the world with a tap. These headphones promise that and more. Plus, we've got all the product links waiting for you in the description below. So, let's settle in and discover which headphones will be your new favorite sound companion, Sony WH-1000XM5 or Apple Airpods Pro 2. Round 1. Unleash the beats. Close your eyes and imagine being surrounded by the most incredible sound. The Sony WH-1000XM5 has an integrated processor V1 that brings music to life like never before. But hold on, the Apple Airpods Pro 2 has a custom-built driver that delivers clear highs and booming bass. It's like having a mini concert wherever you go. The question is, whose tunes will make your heart dance? Round 2. The magic of quiet. Picture this. You're in a crowded place, but as soon as you put on your headphones, it's like stepping into a peaceful bubble. The Sony WH-1000XM5 uses 8 microphones to make the noise disappear. But guess what? The Apple Airpods Pro 2 has taken noise cancellation to the next level. They're like your personal hush-up wizards, making the world around you vanish. So, who's going to be your noise-canceling superhero? Round 3. Comfy and cool. Let's talk about comfort, that feeling of your headphones hugging your ears just right. The Sony WH-1000XM5 soft-fit leather is like a warm embrace for your ears. On the flip side, the Apple Airpods Pro 2 comes with different sized tips to fit your ears like a glove. It's like having a tailor-made audio experience. So, which one's going to be your comfy companion? Round 4. Easy peasy controls. Imagine having headphones that listen to your every move. The Sony WH-1000XM5 lets you control your music with a simple touch. And guess what? The Apple Airpods Pro 2 have a trick up their sleeve too. You can talk to Siri with just a word. It's like having your very own music genie. So, who's going to be your musical buddy? Round 5. Battery bliss. Let's talk about battery life, the time your headphones keep playing your jams. The Sony WH-1000XM5 promises 30 hours of playtime with quick charging. But wait, the Apple Airpods Pro 2 keeps the party going with up to 6 hours of playtime in a case that adds even more hours. It's like having an endless playlist. So, which one's going to be your music marathon partner? The final verdict. Ladies and gentlemen, after an intense battle, it's time to crown the victor. While both the Sony WH-1000XM5 and the Apple Airpods Pro 2 are exceptional, the moment you've been waiting for, the verdict. When all's said and sung, both the Sony WH-1000XM5 and the Apple Airpods Pro 2 have their strengths. But if we had to pick a winner, the crown goes to the Sony WH-1000XM5. Its sound quality, noise-canceling prowess, and all-day comfort make it a true audio monarch. But remember, your ears have the final say. Check out the links in the description to explore both headphones. Whether you're Team Sony or Team Apple, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and share the love with fellow tech-savvy enthusiasts. This is Electro Tech Insider, signing off for now. Rock on and stay tuned for more tech-tastic adventures.